Welcome back everyone to episode number 60 of turning $100 into $1 million, a series where I risk a whopping $100 of my own money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. We have hit episode number 60 episodes, a series that has been going on for quite some time, so I do appreciate every single one of you who does watch the series, and of course all the content that I put out for you every single solitary day on this channel. If you do respect that, hit that like button for me. Go ahead and just give the video a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And of course, as always, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as well. I do post videos every single solitary day, no exceptions and no excuses. Never, ever do I make an excuse not to make a video for you guys. And also hit the notification bell. That notification bell will notify you every single time I do make a new video. As a little thanks for your support and appreciation, if you could just go ahead and look at that description down below, because if you look at the description, you'll actually see I have a link for you. It is for Webull, and when you do sign up with Webull, which is the brokerage account that I use in all of the episodes, it's the only brokerage account I've been using in this series, you'll actually get 2 free stocks, all on me, all free, when you sign up with Webull, and one of those stocks will be valued up to $1,600. 2 free stocks, one valued up to $1,600. Totally free to do so to open up that account. It's your choice whether or not you want to fund it, and it's 100% free, and you can do it within minutes. So when you use that link down below, get 2 free stocks, all on me, all free. So this episode, we do want to take a look at another stock. Now this particular stock is quite interesting because I actually hold this stock in another portfolio. I kind of like to call that portfolio the red portfolio, Mr. Red, because it basically contains some garbage picks over the last 2 years ago that I tried to gamble with, and of course I don't invest that way anymore. I don't take that much risk anymore. I invest for the long term, a diligent investor now. And so what happened is 2 years later, finally, it might even be more than 2 years, I'd have to look at the exact dates, I am finally in profit now on that stock. And we're going to be taking a look at that stock and why it's been surging. In just the last couple of weeks, it's really been taking off. And it's a catalyst that, is kind of unknown. There's no reason really why this stock is taking off other than this specific catalyst. So we'll be taking a look at that in just a bit. So we do have to take a look, though, at my recent holdings and, of course, the profit and loss numbers. So we have ticker symbol GOL. GOL is still up 101 or 12.97%, almost 13%, and I've been holding it for a very short period of time. And, it's only one share of stock, so to be up 13% on one share doesn't look significant when it's only $1.01. But, if you were to 10 times that, 100 times that, that'd be quite something. So then you have Yelp. Yelp is still up 356 or also close to 13%, about 12.5% there. CVS has been up for the majority of time, but it did change back down to red, looking like Christmas lights for the holidays. Went from green to red. Now we're down to 45 cents or just 0.65%, but I'm still very confident in CVS. No reason to panic there whatsoever. DGLY still stagnating there at 36.52 down or 40.19%. I was actually considering, and originally when I invested into it, to put even more money into it separately, so good thing I didn't. But then you also have OXLC. OXLC up 288 or 7.23%, 7.25 there. And that's where we are right now, profit and loss. Let's take a look at the charts as always. So let's go to GOL now. GOL, beautiful day today on the 1st of December. Market was up significantly because of COVID-19 vaccine optimism. We had some good news with the vaccine, good outlook, good forecast there. So 41 cents up or more than 4.5%, just a cent down after hours. 5 days it has been on the rise. We're looking at 8.2%, 70 cents there for just the last 5 days. Yelp up 17 cents or over a half a percentage point. 5 days still maintains a green, but it's basically broken even for the last 5 days. The 1 month though, gorgeous uptrend there, 61.6%. I haven't held it that long. It's still good nonetheless. I got in the middle of this uptrend here. I didn't necessarily get in at this bottom. We also have CVS. CVS down just a quarter today. 5 days it does maintain in the green. 1 month it is up. About 9.46 there, almost $10 up for the 1 month. Not bad. DGLY down 5 cents today. You can see it's really been on a choppy, gridlocked movement here. Not much action one way or another. Not as volatile as it was just months ago, but it's alright. Still holding it. OXLC up 27 cents today, more than 5%. Decent day. You can see this recent surge into today. That's really the surge that you saw today with OXLC. And that's what you can see noticeably on this chart. 1 month way up now because of that surge. 6 months also in the green. Now, the stock I wanted to look at in this episode is none other than CLF, Cleveland Cliffs Incorporated, formerly Cliffs Natural Resources, and it's a Ohio-based company that specializes in the mining, beneficiation, and pelletizing of iron ore. So it is a crude specialty stock, you can call it that. 85 cents up today alone, 7.72% today. You can see the 5 days been way up, almost 16%. 1 month even more, almost 43% the last month, and then the 6 months it has more than doubled at over 111%, almost 112%. And even the year to date and the 1 year now is up because of this recent surge after a long time of it being trending down. So what has gone on with this stock? Let's learn now. Let's get educated here. This was written actually a few days ago and talking about how it was up 73% in just the last 3 months. Here is why. And so the market cap around 4.5 billion, average volume about 10.5 million. Let's discuss some driving factors. You had strong third quarter results. Upbeat view and bright prospects from synergistic acquisitions are driving Cleveland Cliffs shares. So in the third quarter of 2020, Cleveland Cliffs adjusted earnings came in at 4 cents per share. That beat Zach's consensus estimate of a loss of 18 cents rather. So it beat expectations. Moreover, its revenue surged around 196% year over year to 1,646 million and surpassed the Zach's consensus estimate of 1,605.8 million. So another beat estimate there. Expects further sequential improvement in its adjusted EBITDA performance in the fourth quarter based on the current pricing and normalization of operating rates, taking into account higher shipments from the mining and pelletizing and the steel manufacturing segments, as well as expected lowering of idle costs. So I'll have more cash on hand and some complementary acquisitions to go along with it. Reflect bright prospects. In December 2019, the company entered into a definitive merger agreement with AK Steel, and the transaction was successfully completed in March 2020 this year. Merger enables Cleveland Cliffs to offer high-value iron ore and steel solutions, mainly across North America. Also allow the company to become a vertically integrated steel company. Merger is projected to generate around $151 million of annual cost synergies. Also expected to benefit from the acquisition of Arcelor Mittal USA LLC, which was announced in September 2020, just a couple months ago. It's a $1.4 billion deal and will make Cleveland Cliffs the largest flat-rolled steel producer in North America. Further, it will become North America's biggest iron ore pellet producer with annual capacity of 28 million long tons. And more data on earnings and why the stock is doing so well right now, and the prospects for the stock are looking very bright. So I don't hold this in this portfolio, just so you understand. I hold this in another E-Trade portfolio, and that is now in profit. I'm probably going to hold on to it for just a little bit more. I always get skeptical, take profits when you can, but I want to just hold on to this stock. Just hold on tight for just maybe a few more days, maybe a week. We'll see what happens, what I can do. So go to the net account value now, to 1089. It is up from the last episode, if I'm not mistaken. And that's where we are right now with this portfolio. Definitely on the up and up. Taking profits in the last few episodes and reinvested them. So, not bad, not bad. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, smash the like button. Also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.